Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S2 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, so simply tap on it in order to enter, obviously. And now all you have to do is simply open the history, and you can do it by tapping on this. Right now it is a strange arrow icon, but after tapping on it, you can see that here we've got the 3 dot icon. So let's tap on it and let's choose the history. Here we've got the list of apps which have been previously visited. Of course, you can remove only one of it. Just tap on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So of course you can do it manually and try to remove all of them one by one, but you can enter clear browsing data, and I highly recommend, because here we've got some basic and advanced options, and in basics we can remove the browsing history, so you can remove the previous websites with only one click, not manually one by one. You can remove cookies, media licenses and site data, and cached images and files. What's more, in advanced, we can find also media licenses, we can find saved passwords, autofill form data and site settings. So actually you can remove a lot of things. So if you'd like to be sure that something will be removed, then make sure that it is marked. So simply tap on it, and if it looks like this one, then it will be deleted. So let me remove everything actually. And here we can also change the time range from last hour to for example, all time. So let me pick all time, why not? And if you are happy, if you are ready, just tap on clear data. Tap on clear. And as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed everything, not only browsing history, but also saved passwords and so on and so on. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your UMIDIGI S2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.